Mail time. So today I received a mail in the package. A package in the mail, and let's see what this is. It's from a person from Thingiverse that was kind enough to print me a few pieces of 3D printed accessories. And these are for the XiaoYi and for the X8C. So this is for mounting underneath the XiaoYi. It's a case that holds it, which is very interesting. I will definitely try it out very soon. So this is the case, and here's two 3D printed mounts specifically for the X8C quadcopter. And here's a lens cap, which is very interesting, as well as a screw. And that's all. Thanks for watching.